S FE series skip a generation, which is released in 2021, 2023 and now 2025. Patient pays off as each upgrade feels more substantial, but these are just Samsung's mid-range offering. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus brings a larger 13.1-inch display, which is 12% more than surface area of 12.4-inch panel of last year. This makes it bigger than the 12.4-inch Tab S10 Plus, but not as big as 14.6-inch Tab S10 Ultra. The Tab S10 FE sticks with the 10.9-inch screen but is 4% lighter. The FE Plus puts on some weight due to the larger display. Both tablets are slimmer than the 2023 version and now is around 6mm slim. Both FE tablets have 90Hz LCD display with 800 nits of brightness. Samsung sells an anti-reflective screen protector, a smartbook cover and 2 keyboard covers. S Pen is introduced in the retail package, but this is not the kind with Bluetooth connectivity. This year's FE tablets are powered by the Exynos 1580, which is also found on Galaxy A56. It's the first mid-range Exynos to use ARMv9 cores and the second to use AMD graphics. The Tab S9 FE used the older 1380 chipset, so this is a massive upgrade over that. The Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus is available in two configurations, that is 8128 and 1256. There's a micro SD card slot as well, but extra storage will come with more RAM too. Circle to search with the S Pen works. You get object eraser, best face for photos, auto trim for videos. The S10 FE also comes preloaded with LumaFusion, Goodnotes, Clip Studio Paint, Note Shelf 3, Sketchbook, PixArt and more. There's also a Galaxy AI key on the book cover keyboard for quick access. Both the tablets get IP68 dust and water resistance. You get a dual speaker system and a fingerprint reader built into the power button. The S10 FE has a 8000 mAh battery, while the S10 FE Plus has 10,090 mAh battery. Both support 45 watt of fast charging. The front facing camera is 12 megapixel and you get a single camera on the back, which is 13 megapixel. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. There's an optional 5G variant as well. Both of them will be available from April 3rd in 3 colors, which is grey, silver and blue color. Pricing details are given below, starting from €580 going up to €900.